Hello everyone, welcome back. So this is the eighth part of video of conversion of pictorial view to orthographic view. So let's go through the drawing. So today in this video, we'll draw the views, that is top view, front view and side view from this 3D model. So here they have not specified any views. So this will be the front view, clear? And you can see this is a symmetry model again. That is, if you draw an axis here, so left, that is left part of the axis and right part of the axis, they are same. That is mirror image. Hence you can choose either left view or right view. And we have this one as from, that is the top view. Okay, so here we'll draw front view, left view and top view. So first we'll see front view. So in front view, this whole one surface is visible, clear, and after that this hole. So this hole actually it is through hole. Okay, that is from here, it starts from here and it ends here, that is through hole, and this is the surface. So here in front view, this surface is visible and along with this hole. So first we'll draw the front view. So what is the length here from here? That is 120 mm. So we'll draw 120 mm line. Next, after that, this side, so this side is 25 mm, so we'll take it as 25 mm. Next, after that, this distance, how much it is? This is 30. So here also 30, here also it is 30. Clear? Next, what you can do is, next after you drawn this, again start from here, draw a line of height upwards 25 mm. Okay, and then to the right side same, again 30 mm. Clear? So after this, what is there? We need to draw this dome, or what we can call it as a semicircle, right? This semicircle we need to draw. So now what you do is take compass. Okay, take compass, and in that measure 30 mm. So this radius, whatever this arc is there, bigger arc, so that radius is how much? 30 mm. So you measure 30 mm. Okay, and what you do is using scale now. First, before that, what you do? Okay, I'll just zoom it. Yeah. So what you do is from here. Okay, keep your scale from here, and at a distance of 60 mm, mark a point. Okay, here somewhere it will be here. Mark a point at a distance of 60 mm. Okay, so now what you do, using compass, measure what 30 mm. Okay, in compass you measure 30 mm. So now that pointer, compass pointer, you keep it at the center and draw an arc of 30 mm radius. Clear? Just measure 30 mm. Since radius given here is 30 mm, that's why you take 30 mm in compass, measure it, keep the compass pointer at the center, and from here uh, place the pencil here and draw an arc. Clear? So we'll just draw an arc there. Clear? So like this it will be an arc of 30 mm radius. Clear? So this much we have drawn. So next thing what we have to draw is the circle. Okay, circle is of diameter, they have given how much it is, 20 mm. So what you can do is from that same pointer, so whatever the point you have marked, from that same point, what you do now, in compass take the distance as 10 mm. Okay, in compass you measure 10 mm. Since the diameter given is 20, so if you take 10 mm radius, automatically you will get a diameter 20 circle. Clear? So if diameter is given, you have to take in compass half of it, that is 10 radius. So here already radius is given, no need to take half, just directly take 30 mm radius, that is in compass you take 30 mm, that is while drawing this bigger arc. So in drawing this circle, since diameter is given, so you have to take what, 10 mm radius, so half of it. Clear? So in compass you measure 10 mm, keep it at that point, same point on which using which you have drawn this semicircle, right? So now from that same point, what you do, you draw a circle of how much, diameter 20 mm. Clear? So like this we got the front view. Clear? So now what you do is, using thin line you draw the axis line. Okay, using thin line, draw axis x and y axis. Clear? So just extend it downwards. So I'll just zoom it. So next we'll draw the what, left view, so which is drawn on the right side of the front view. So now using extension line, using thin line, using thin line, draw extension line. So starting from here, okay, so draw an extension line to the right side. Same way from this corner, draw an extension line. Clearly, same way, draw the extension line. Clear? So we'll draw the left view. So this left view is drawn on the right side of the front view. So in left view, what, this rectangle is visible, right? And above that, so this surface is visible. So this surface, actually, when you see it from the front, it is like a dome, right? So in left view, actually, it looks like a rectangle only. Clear? So a rectangle at the bottom, and above that another rectangle. Clear? So this is the height of the rectangle, first rectangle. This is the height of the second rectangle, and its length. How much length is they have given here? It is 45. So now again using thick line. Okay, using thick line, what you do? Upwards you draw how much? 25 mm, and to the right side, from there, from here to the right side, it is how much? 45 mm. Okay, 45 mm. Again downwards 25, and finally join it here. So this is the bottom rectangle that we have drawn. Same way, now top rectangle. Okay, so this dome, actually it looks like a rectangle when you see it from the left or right view. Same way, again from here upwards 30 mm it is. Okay, height is 30 mm, because this, whatever this radius is there, okay, it is radius, how much it is? 30 mm from the center. So same way, from the center this height will be how much? 30 mm. So that is 30 mm. Clear? So after that, what you do is, here on the right side again 45 mm, and downward just join it here. Clear? So next, after that, what, this circle, okay, this circle is not visible in left view. When you see it from the left, this circle is not visible, or this hole is not visible. So when any sections which are not visible, what we have to do? We have to show it using what? Dotted line, right? So using a thick dotted line, what you do is, first, before that, using thin line, you just extend this from here. You extend and extend the line. Same way from here, okay, extend the line. So now we need to draw. I'll just zoom it. Okay. Now from here to here we need to draw a dotted line. From here to here we need to draw a dotted line. So that is the hole which is not visible when you see it from the left view. Okay. So now using thick dotted line, what you do is, from here you start and end it here. Clear? Same way, now again you start it from here and end it here. Okay, so once you finish, what you do? You just rub these extension lines. We don't need them. Clear? So like this, the dotted line is visible, or the hole which is represented using dotted line, which is not visible in left view. Okay, so I'll just zoom it. Clear? So like this, the dotted line should be drawn. So now we have drawn the front view, left view. Finally, what we need to draw? The top view. So now using thin line, what you do? First, you draw 45 degrees line. Okay, so the length can be anything. The important thing is the angle should be 45 degrees. Okay, so now again using thin line only, extend this downwards first, and again to the left. Same way, extend from the corners. You go on extending. Same way here, from this corner extend it downwards. Again from this corner extend it downwards. Same way from this corner extend it downwards, and again same, from this corner you extend it downwards. Okay, so in top view, what, this surface, when you are seeing from the top, this surface is visible, this whole surface is visible, but this surface, whatever dome is there, so it will look like what? Just a rectangle in from the top view. Same way, this surface is visible, and again this hole which is not visible in top view, again on this, above this surface we need to draw what? The dotted line. Clear? So first we'll draw these three surfaces, and then we'll draw this dotted line. So now again using thick line, use thick line. Okay, so we'll start from here. So that is from this corner. So that is this, from here to here, how much it is? 120, and means from here to here 120, and below that, that is this direction, how much it is? 45 downwards, 45, again 120, and again 45. Clear? So like this we have drawn. So here three surfaces are visible. So these three surfaces are divided by these two dark lines. We need to draw a dark line here as well as here. So automatically you will get three surfaces. So now using again dark line, draw a line from here to here. Same way, and using dark line, draw a line from here to here. Clear? So once you have drawn, what you do is just delete. So before deleting, what we do is, now this circle, we need to draw this circle, right? We need to show that here. So since it is not visible in top view, so again you need to show from here to here dotted line. Clear? So now using thin line, what you do, you extend again same way like earlier. You extend the line from here to here, okay, and extend the line from here to here. Clear? So now using thick dotted line, okay, using thick dotted line, what you do, you draw a line starting from here and end it here. Same way, draw a line starting from here and end it here. That is, it should be a dotted line. Clear? So like this is the top view. So once you have finished drawing, what you do is just remove these all extension lines. Clear? Rub these all extension lines. So this is how the top view looks, right? Three surfaces, that is these three, 1, 2 and 3 surface, and a circle or a hole which is not visible in top view using dotted line. Clear? So once so here we have finished drawing the views, that is front view, left view and top view. So next thing is to show the dimensions. Same way, now choose the dimension. So draw extension line here, draw extension line here, using thin line, draw extension line downwards and show the dimension. Clear? So this distance should be how much? 1 centimeter or 10 mm. Okay, same way this side. So this side, that is from here, extend it to the right side. Next, we need to show this radius, right? So what you do, from the center here, so whatever the center is there, from their center, what you do, you just draw a line like this. Okay, I'll just show it here using thin line. Okay, using thin line, from here, from this center, you draw a line like this and extend it upwards and extend it to the right. So like this. Now here you can write radius R30. Okay, show the dimension here above this line, show dimension as R30. Clear? So I'll just show it here, R30. Right? So like this you show the dimension. Right? So like this you show the dimension R30. So same way, and before that what you do, you just draw a small arrow here showing that the radius is from here to here. Okay, this arrow specifies that the radius is from here to here. So same way, what you can do is, for this circle also you show the same, okay, and extend it outwards like this. Okay, so draw a line same way like this from the center, draw here and show the arrows and extend it outwards and show here diameter. Okay, this diameter symbol, so diameter 20. Clear? So after this we have shown minimum dimensions here, so we'll show another dimensions here. So same way, now extend extension line here, extend an extension line here and show the dimension. Right, so this is 45. So now this distance it is not shown, so that we'll show it here. Extend it downwards, same way, extend it downwards. Clear? So I think we have specified 20, 30, 120, 20. Yes. So we have shown all the dimensions. Okay, we have splitted all the dimensions in front view, left view as well as top view. So once you have done with the dimensions, finally you have to close the drawing with specifying the views. So first we'll show the front view. Next here the left view, and this one the top view. Clear? So these are the three views that need to be shown. Okay, front view, left view and top view. So once we have drawn the drawings, after that the dimension and finally the views. So once we have shown all the views, we have written, so then we can say that the drawing is complete.